I'm not sure exactly how these rollers are assembled, but I want to get the bearings out because I may want to replace them. This is the other end. Center shaft will cap out. Well, in the process of knocking out that shaft, I found that I've been scarring it up. Well, I knocked the shaft back the other way from where it was getting scarred up, and it looks like it's coming out real nicely now. There's where it was getting scarred up. So these alignment holes where the roll pins were inserted, those are all drilled after assembly, so they are matched. I'll need to stamp this or mark it so that I know that this end of the shaft goes with this bearing and so forth. To remove these bearings, I've decided to make my own puller. I have a couple of C-channels here that I'll modify. We'll go in and expand and pull out with a couple of threaded rods and a bridge resting over this. The internal bearing puller kits from Amazon got some really bad reviews, and then the really good kits from SKF are like $2,000 for a complete set. So I'm just going to make do with a single use special purpose puller, and we'll go with that. I think that'll do. So this bridge I was talking about earlier, I'll probably just turn the piece of wood to fit over this and then give it some clearance for these things. Let's give it a try. Wow, that grease is all caked up. There is some kind of a seal in here. This grease is all really dried up and caked. The bearing has no seal on this side, so I guess this separate seal here is designed for that. So I just decided to remove the seals from these rolls and clean them up and reuse them for later on, along with the bearings. I know I mentioned earlier that I would replace the bearings, but I'm going to refurbish these since they're low-speed bearings. They've probably turned 30 RPM throughout their life. So I'll refurbish them, and in the next episode, we'll remove all the needle bearings from the various drivetrain components, and then finally we'll get to where we refurbish the bearings. Thanks again for watching.